phrase. All right. Ko, jo, mi. You see how it sounds? But when they go, Yoruba is going to speak that. When they're going to say that out, they say ko, jo, mi. It sounds so easy and fast. Ko, jo, mi. Then you start to break it down in your mind. So you break it down this way so that you can write it down. Because when you have the ability to write it down, then you can speak it. Because you have to sound it internally before you write it, put it down. So here we go. Go. That goes down. You see that? The left accent goes down. The right accent goes up. Go. Jo. Mi. Go. Jo. Mi. Goes up, right? So now the most difficult part is the jaw because it's got no accent on it, right? So you must recognize it. Don't get carried away and put me on top of it or do on top of it because don't put some on top of it or do on top of it because it could get confusing that way. So make sure before you make the sound, say it in your mind first. If it sounds right after putting the accent, then it's going to sound right when you say it out. When it doesn't sound right is if you made a mistake with the accent, and now it doesn't sound right. Ah, wo, wrong? That's a picture. A picture on the wall or a drawing is ah, wo, wrong? Ah, wo, wrong? Let's break it down. Ah, wo. The way we look at things, awo. Wrong? This refers to Iran. It's not wrong like sew something. Wrong is to tie something up, right? Figuratively, awo wrong. When we start saying words together, then things change. And it gets a little bit confusing because Ibadan wasn't Ibadan before, right? It was Ibadan. The city of Ibadan was Ibadan. Ibadan. And then now it's simplified and now called Ibadan, right? And then you see that this is Eba, but this is two down accents right now because everything is compressed and simplified, right? But here near the grassland, right? Near the grassland, by the edge of the forest, right? That's Eba. Eba means beside something. Odon, edge of the forest, between the grassland and the forest land, right? Vegetation. So that's the difference, right? So sometimes when you see some words like that, it will confuse people and they will say, I have a problem. Why do you use this accent here? Not there. There's a reason for that. Some people will not be able to explain. But when they break it down, you will get the reason why they said that. Because in pronunciation and in conversation, in the sentence structure, it will sound right if you put the down accent on it when you say it. Okay. Ogaju. I broke it down and I said it in a broken down formation. But if I want to say it with expression, I will say Ogaju. Or that means that thing is incredible, too much. The guy is fantastic. Something, how to describe something that is beyond my imagination or comprehension. Ogaju. Or it is too tall. When you understand the accents, then Yoruba becomes easy to learn. Accents means a lot in Yoruba. Word usage. Mo means I. Mo starts from the word, from the alphabet M. So when the old teachers used to teach, they just say more and all this, they relate it to something else on an extension level. But I prefer to go back to how did the word come about? The me. That's universal. Me, mo. And now you start to put hand to yourself and say, me, mo. That M points to yourself. Mo ń lọ, I'm going. Mo ń lọ, L-A-W, like law. I'm going. Mo ń lọ. Mo ń lọ, present continuous, right? I am going. I'm going now, right? Mo fẹ́ lọ, I'm thinking about it, but I'm not leaving yet. I want to go. Mo fẹ́ lọ, I want to go right now. I'm thinking, but I'm not making my move yet. Mi ò fẹ́ lọ, I don't want to go. I'm not going. I'm not going. And that is, a statement. Mi ò lọ, I'm not going as well. I'm not going. I don't want to go. Mi ò fẹ́ lọ. Which is the same with mi ò lọ, but with a little emphasis on fẹ́, because fẹ́ is like. I don't like to go. I don't want to go. Right? Is that clear? Questions? Questions before we move on? We move quickly because of our, so that we can attend to those words we talked about. Practical sentence. Mo fẹ́ lọ sí ọjà. Mo fẹ́ lọ sí ọjà. Mo fẹ́. Fẹ́ should have an up accent, which is right hand. Lọ sí ọjà. Ọjà, down accent. That's already there. But mo fẹ́ should have an up accent. I deliberately remove some of the accents so that you can do an exercise in the class, right? So that you can actually put the accent on it. So if you want to write the fẹ́, you write the fẹ́ like that and then put up accent on. Ṣé ó ń bọ̀? Ṣé ó ń bọ̀? That O there is simplified. It's supposed to be neutral. Supposed to be neutral. Mbo, coming. Are you coming? And then the response should be mo mbo. Let's say it together. Mo mbo. Mo mbo. Mo mbo. When you say monbo, you have changed the accent. Mo mbo. Mbo. Ṣé wàá wá?
Ṣé wàá wá?
Will you come? Màá wá. Say màá wá.
Màá wá.
I will come. Yes, I will come. This is what you use in conversation with your friend. He's going out and your friend wants to take you out. And you say, ṣé ò ń bọ̀? Or you're just talking on the phone. Ṣé ò ń bọ̀? Mò ń bọ̀. Ṣé wàá wá? Màá wá. That is, she will come.